Sabi ng mata at French fries, my workmate be like, "Hi Joel," only to find out Joel name ng kausap, kaya para babae. Joel. Joel in the palace. Jewel. Yan. Kalisi. Customer ranting me. And you are angry because? Nag-Google chat sa akin bigla, coaching ka after ng call mo. Chris Aquino, is that you? You are angry because? And you are angry because? Danny, me. Oh, that's D for David. Customer, no, it's D for dog. Me. Depende sa sitwasyon. Jurg Ernest Cañares, me. Please provide your mobile legend whenever our second level support will answer. Emily's like, healing for everything. Rapi Pologon, T for terrorist. Maria, thank you for calling. My name was Mary. Ngayon, ano na? Kimberly Vlog, sa sobrang galang. Customer irate, me. Oh, I'm sorry po.